The next letter here is kaf. Kaf. Its sound is ka. And this is how it is written. When it is isolated like this, when it is in the beginning like this, and when it is in the middle like this, and when it is at the end, it's written like this. Let's read these words. The first word is book. It's composed of 4 letters. The first letter is kaf, then ta, then alif, then ba. The kaf here has kasra. That's why we say ki, then ta, followed by long vowel a, kitab, 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 book. The next word means big. It's composed of 4 letters. The first is kaf with fatha, so it's ka. Here it was ki, but now this word has kaf with fatha, so we say ka. Then ba with kasra, we say b, followed by long vowel yi, then r. Kabir, kabir, big. The next word is desk or office. Mim plus kaf, then ta, then ba. Mim has fatha, ma, then kaf has sukun, so we say mak. Then the ta has fatha, ta, then b. Maktab, maktab. The next word, alif, kaf, ba, ra. The alif has fatha and the kaf has sukun, so we say ak. Then the ba has fatha, ba, then ra. Akbar, akbar, bigger or greater. So here, kabir, big, akbar, bigger. The next word is sugar. It's composed of sin, then kaf, then ra. The sin has dhamma, so we say su. Then the kaf has shadda and fatha, so we say sukka, sukka, because it's doubled. Then ra, sukkar, sukkar. Then this word which means there. Ha plus noon plus alif, then kaf. The ha here has dhamma, so we say hu, then na, followed by alif, huna, then hunak, hunak, there, hunak. Do you remember? Before that, we studied huna, which means here. And now we study there, hunak. The next word is generous. It's composed of 4 letters. Ka with fatha, then ra with kasra, followed by long vowel yi. So we say kareem, kareem, kareem. Then mim, ba, alif, ra, ka. The mim has dhamma, so we say mu, then ba, followed by long vowel a, mubarak, mubarak, blessed, mubarak. The next word is this. It has 7 letters. The first is ba, followed by alif, long vowel, so we say ba. Then the kaf has kasra, so we say ki. This kaf is written like this because it's isolated here, but here it's connected. It's ready to be connected to the following letter, which is sin. So we say ki, then s, kiss, ba, kiss, then tan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Don't forget, in Arabic we don't have pa. So this is in English Pakistan, but in Arabic we say Pakistan. The next word, your name. Alif, Sin, Mim, Kaf. The alif has kasra and the sin has sukun, so it will be is. Then the mim has dhamma, mu. Then kaf has fatha, ismuka. Ismuka, your name. This is for male. If you speak to man, you say ismuka. But for female, it will be ismuki. So the change will be here in here ka and here ki. Just like anta and anti. You male anta and you female anti. So ismuka, ismuki. Read this question. What is your name? Here, ma and ismuka. But when we connect the two words, the alif here in the beginning of ismuka will be silent. So we'll say masmuka. We don't say ma ismuka. No. We say ismu when we start with it, like here, ismuka. But here it's not in the beginning of the sentence. So we say masmuka. A man can answer saying, my name is Bakr. Ismi Bakr. My name Bakr. We don't translate verb to be in Arabic. Ismi Bakr. Ba, then kaf with sukun. Bak, then ra. Bakr. The same question to a woman. How will it be? Masmuki. Ma, then ismuki. But when we join them, we say masmuki. Masmuki. Ismi Samah. My name is Samah. Ismi Samah. Now, can you read this? Allah is the greatest. Allahu, then Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Repeat. Allahu Akbar. The next. Huna wa hunak. Wa means and. So this letter alone means and. Before that we studied here and now we studied there. So here and there will be huna wa hunak. Huna wa hunak. What about this? Here we have alif plus lam. So you may say al, then sa, but sa here has shadda. So it has to be sa. Then la mu a la y kum. Peace be upon you. Here al in the beginning of salam means the. Yes. So do you notice al in the beginning of the word as-salam? It means the. This is the definite article in Arabic. The letter lam in al here is sometimes pronounced and sometimes not. Here in this word, as-salam, it is silent. The lam is silent. So we don't say al-sa, but we say a-sa, as-sa, as-salamu alaykum. So al means the. It's the definite article in Arabic. Sometimes lam is pronounced, sometimes not. Here in this word, it's silent. So we say what? As-sa. The sin here has shadda and fatha. As-salamu alaykum. Peace be upon you. This is the greeting in Islam. More examples about this. Here, the teacher. Read. Al-mu'allim. Al means the. Here the lam is pronounced. Al-mu'allim. The next one, the day or today. Al-yawm. اليوم. اليوم. The lam here is also pronounced. The next one, al-i. What's the next? S. Al-islam. Al-islam. So here in these three examples, the lam is pronounced. Let's go to this column. Here, the lam is silent. So we say a followed by ra with shadda and fatha. So we say ar-ra, ar-rahim. Before that, by the way, we studied the word rahim without al, without the. Here, the lam is silent, so we say ar-rahim. And this one, it's a followed by na with shadda and dhamma. So we say an-nur. An-nur. The noon has shadda and dhamma, so it's doubled. An-nur. And the lam is silent. Here also, the lam is silent. Before that, we studied messenger, Rasul. If we want to say the messenger, we'll write alif and lam, but the lam here is silent, so we say ar-ra, ar-rasul, ar-rasul. Yes. I want you to know that spelling in Arabic is regular, in the sense that words are spelled as they are pronounced, except for a few irregularities, as some words contain letters which are pronounced but not written, and vice versa, as we have seen here.